Hello traders, welcome to the video. In this video I want to be showing you one of my old strategy that I used around the last year to cash a lot of candles in the boom and crash market. So this strategy is very easy. Back then it is one of the simplest strategy I've used. So if you pay close attention to it and you take your time to practice it, you will see that this strategy works very accurate. So if you look carefully on my chart, this is 1 minute time frame and this is crash 1000. This strategy works best on the boom and crash 1000 markets, and the only time frame you will be using is the 15 minutes time frame and the 1 minute time frame. So I'll be showing you how to set up your charts with your indicators, then I'll be explaining exactly how the strategy works. Click on this indicator icon over here. As you can see, I have three indicators. I have relative strength index, Bollinger Bands, and envelope. To select your relative strength index, click on the F icon on the main chart and search for your relative strength index. Make the period to be 1, apply to close. For the levels, click on this pen icon, make it 20 and 80, color of your choice, 3 pixel. For the styles over here, make it color of your background. If your background is black, make it black. If it is white, make it white. 1 pixel. After that, you click on save. The next indicator is the Bollinger Bands. To select that, click on the F icon on the indicators Windows 1 and search for your Bollinger Bands. Make the period to be 20, deviation to be 200, shifts to be 0, apply to close. For the style, make it color of your choice, 3 pixel or 4 pixel. After that, you click on save. The last indicator is the envelopes. To select that, click on the F icon on the indicators Windows 1 and search for your envelopes. Make the period to be 100, shifts to be 0, deviation to be 200, method to be simple, apply to close. For the styles, upper band, make it color of your choice, lower band, color of your choice, and make them to be 3 pixels. After that, you click on save. So if you follow my settings correctly, your chart will look exactly as what you see over here. So here, what we will be doing is very simple. So first thing you should know is that in this strategy, you can cash 5 candles, you can also cash 10 candles. I'll give you the situations where you need to cash both candles, but first, I want you to pay attention to this my indicator setups analysis point. You can see this purple line and this red line over here. These are the envelopes, and this 80 level and this 20 level are the RSI, and these green lines you see inside my chart are the Bollinger Bands. So what are we looking for? This is the crash market. So first thing you want to pay attention to when trading this strategy is you want to see these Bollinger Bands breaking the 20 level and the 80 level. They're touching the envelopes. So once you have the touch, you look for the area around this point. So you see the touch over here, the dip in, then you enter your buy, then you look for the targeting 5 candles. So I move this chart forward. You can see this is another one at this point. See how it dips inside, you enter your buy, you count your 5 candles before you have the spike. This is another one, dip inside, enter your buy, 5 candles, then you close the trade. This is another one again. You can see over here, did not enter, you have the dip around this point. So immediately you have that, enter your buy. After these 2 long spikes, enter your buy, count your 5 candles. You can see that this is also another one. This is where you have the dip. After the spike, enter your buy, 5 candles. So for the bull market, what we are looking for is exactly the same, just that we sell in the bull market and we look to buy in the crash market. So you can see over here, once you have the dip into the envelopes, that is around this area, you enter your sell, then you count your 5 candles. It is the same thing that you look for, just that you sell and buy. This is another one around this point. Here, you enter your sell, 5 candles, you can see the dip. But most times, if you see market doing something like this, it is telling you that the higher time frame is consolidating or it is in an uptrend. So you don't see that straight movement, deep 5 candles, deep 5 candles. You don't see that easily when market is in a downtrend. So in the bull market, you want to first go to your 15 minutes time frame. So if you have market going in a downtrend like this, I can advise you to cash 10 candles. But it is not every time the market will give you these 10 candles, but if you can risk it, count 10 candles. But in an uptrend like this, that is, there is more spike than the retracement, I will advise you to cash just 5 candles. But overall, you can decide to cash 5 candles in both conditions. So this will increase your win rate, and just focus your mind on one. And for the crash market in the 15 minutes time frame, if you have this uptrend, you can count 10 candles. But if you are in a strong downtrend like this, you can count your 5 candles. But overall, count 5 candles to avoid some unnecessary losses. So after this, I want you to go back on your chart, backtest this strategy, see for yourself, see how consistent it is. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. You can also check out my other videos that are displaying right now on your screen. Thanks for watching.